There's no way to know everything there is to know, especially about anatomy and alignment. You don't need to know more than you already know. You need to be grounded in what you know and then look at it and see that what we know is mostly male anatomy. And so it can be a liberation to step into the stillness of unknowing and to work and facilitate with another woman or a group of women or a group of human beings what it is that we have to share. And the only thing, I will keep saying this forever, is in order to prevent avoidable injuries, you just need to listen to the nerve cell beings whose job it is to protect their sister cell beings. We think their job is to protect us, but the truth is, us is simply the concept of an eye. They dwell with 30 trillion sister cell beings in community. And so their dharma, their function, their mission is to protect their sister cell beings. So as we move into a pose, a movement that doesn't work for them, they are very happy and clear to let us know through sensation. So you do not need to look at all the research studies that I have. You don't need to go to medical school or to study PT unless that's your calling. But if your calling is like mine, to facilitate the spiritual aspect of who we are as embodied beings, then just know for yourself that the cell beings are on a mission to protect us from preventable injuries. Because when we have sustained an injury, it's an injury to their sister cell beings. That's who's being injured. It is a ligament or a tendon or a muscle. And those are names that are actually refer to a community of sentient living cell beings. That's who's injured. So we might view ourselves as protecting the cell beings by listening to them, which is the fundamental gift of yoga, which is turning within and listening. And who I know that listening is to be are the cell beings. Yes, do I want to share with you the wonders of how joints are formed by the cell beings? Yes, I do. How all of the nerve cell beings are embedded in the tendons and the ligaments and the joint capsules. So you can bathe in that joy of knowing that for yourself. Yet, I say you don't need to know that. What you need to know is that in the joint area, there are pain sensors, cell beings who will tell you everything you need to know, everything anyone you're facilitating needs to know. No heightened sensation, no new discomfort, no new pain in or across a joint. You don't need to dialogue about it. You don't need to go and get a PhD about it. New pain is your indication that you are moving down a road you do not want to continue to travel.